Nung dumating ka sa buhay ko, naisip ko, ano bang mabuting nagawa ko to deserve someone like you? Ikaw ang pangarap na di ko akalaing makakamit ko. Umatid ka sa buhay ko, binag
your bias? Your bias wrecker? The first member caught your attention. The member you think had a cutest eye. The member you think had a cutest smile.
Starts in my toes and I crinkle my nose.
The member you think is a best dancer. The member you think that have a cutest voice.
Remember where I go, you no matter where I go.
Stay hold me up, tie me down, 'cause I never wanna leave your side. Swear to never let you down, and it's been eating me alive.
Pumunta ako ng Manila. Tapos sabi nila, Ilonggo daw ako. Paano kaya nila nalaman na Ilonggo ako? Sa pananamit ko?
Your baby as a newborn versus now.
Sumayaw lahat ng walang hadiah. Ma, pwede ba tayo mag-Jollibee?
No, ang dami natin pagkain sa bahay.
Pero ma, gusto ko ng Jollibee.
Isa pa, patamaan ka sa akin.
No, I want Jollibee.
Eto, gusto mo ha?
Dali, ikaw, dali ka. Ibigay na kita sa mamo. Okay mo. Eat. Who's that? That's Jimmy. Ayan, siya sa'yo. That's Jimmy.
나도 모르게 전화기를 들고 말았어. 나야 처음만이야.
That's me, right?
너무 힘이 들어서
Jimin ulit.
찾기도 미안해서 너를 보낸 게 오래돼서 한숨만 쉰거.
Jungkook. Cry
또 놀라서 말이 나오지